A business does hundreds of money things every week. It buys supplies, pays rent, makes a sale, takes a loan. Now imagine tossing every single one into one giant jar labeled money stuff. Good luck ever finding anything again. So businesses don't do that. They use something wonderfully simple instead: a chart of accounts. Here's the whole idea. Instead of one giant jar, you line up lots of little ones. One jar for cash, one for rent, one for sales. Each jar gets a label, its name, and a number, its code. And that tidy list of every jar with its name and number, that list is the chart of accounts. Notice the jars are still empty. The chart of accounts isn't the money, it's just the labels. The money drops in later. Now, where do the jars go? Remember the 5 types from last time: assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. Those are your 5 shelves. Every jar lives on exactly one shelf. The cash jar sits on assets, the rent jar on expenses, the sales jar on income. 5 shelves and a home for every single jar. And here's the clever bit. The number on each jar isn't random. It's a zip code. The very first digit tells you the shelf. A 1 means assets, 2 liabilities, 3 equity, 4 money coming in, 5 money going out. So when you see a jar numbered 1100, you already know without even reading the label, it lives on the assets shelf. One quick honesty note. Nobody made this a law. Most software and most accountants use 1 through 5, so everyone can read each other's books. But a business can number its jars however it likes. So now the coins drop in. Every transaction finds its jar. And at the end of the month, you just stack the shelves and add them up. The top 3, assets, liabilities, and equity, become your balance sheet. And yes, it still balances. It's the seesaw from last time, all grown up. The bottom 2, income and expenses, become your income statement. That's the quiet magic. The chart of accounts is the simple filing system where every financial report is born. Next time, what actually happens inside those jars? And the clever 2-level trick real companies use to keep track.